Okay, so we're doing some brown stew chicken today. As you notice, I'm frying my chicken in some oil right here. Uh, I love to fry it so the oil covers the chicken as it's fried. It comes out nice and brown, just like this over here. Put them in the container. I'm going to put them in. Here I have garlic. Over here I have garlic, crushed garlic. I have onions. I have tomato. And I have some thyme right here. So I will come back in a few minutes once I've got the rest of the chicken fried. Okay, so now we're back. Here in this bowl I have the juice that I season the chicken. I have a little bit of Scotch bonnet cut up in there. And so I will pour it over my chicken. It's completely, all of the chicken is fried, and mind you, this is just half of a chicken. And so that was just a little bit of juice left over. I'm also going to add the rest of the ingredients in here. So that's the garlic, all the garlic, the onion, the tomato, everything. I'm just going to kind of put it all over this chicken right here. And then in this container, I have a 1/4 cup of ketchup, and I add enough water to make it a 1/2 cup of sauce. And this is what I do. I just pour it over the chicken. I just pour it all over the chicken. And so pouring it over the chicken right here. Cover it over the chicken. Then we are going to turn our stove on to, we're going to turn our stove on to about medium, okay? Then we'll go ahead and we will cover our chicken and let it start to steam. When it's steaming, I will come back and we will see, go to the next step. So this is about 10 minutes after we started the steaming process of our brown stew chicken. If you notice, there's a lot of gravy in this pot right here that's making the, and so you can go ahead and kind of marinate your chicken in the sauce. It's an option, but I'm also gonna add a little bit of water. Remember, just add water along as you go. I just had another 1/4 cup of water to make a little bit more juicy, a little bit more sauce. Now I'm going to turn it back down, so I have kind of sauteed, bring some of the juice from the bottom and put it on top of the chicken. If you notice, the chicken is starting to look nice and moist. And then we will go ahead, we cover this chicken again, and the stove is turned down to half, okay? And we will leave this to steam for about 10 to 12 minutes, and I will come back and we will be ready to serve. So now we're back and we are going to now check our chicken. Look at what's happened here. The chicken is nicely stewed down. It's nice and brown. It's sauteed in its own juice. It's got the gravy. I can show you the gravy on the side. It's got plenty of gravy on the side right here. Nice and thick. And we actually, so smoke is fogging up my lens. So now we're going to plate. The chicken is ready. Turn your stove off, okay? And now we're just gonna plate it. Now if you're not ready, just cover your chicken, turn off your stove, and remember, remove your pot away from the stove even if you already turn it off, because what will happen is your chicken gravy will just dry out with the steam. So we are going to go ahead and plate our food. Okay, I have a cup of white rice here, and I will be removing this chicken away from the stove that's going on right here, and we will go ahead and we will plate Okay, where we plate our food. So now our brown stew chicken has been served up. Bring it a little closer so you can see the chicken, a cup of white rice, and a couple pieces of parsley to brighten up the plate, a glass of wine. So as you notice, it's a lot of juice on the chicken, a little bit on the rice. Also, you can add more water if you want more gravy, but please add water, not too much, but add a little at a time. So enjoy your brown stew chicken.